In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start optimizing your Google business profile. Taking a few simple steps to enhance your profile can help ensure that your business appears more prominently in search results, making it more attractive and informative for potential customers. To begin, you'll want to sign in to the Google Business Profile Manager. This is your central hub where you can oversee and make crucial edits to your business information. Once you've logged in, the next move is to click on the Edit Profile option. This is where you can provide comprehensive details about your business. Make sure you complete all the business info entries. These include your business name, address, phone number, website, and operating hours. This information is vital because it presents prospective customers with a clear and accurate understanding of how they can contact or visit your business. After entering your basic information, you'll want to focus on visuals, which are a powerful marketing tool. Click on the Photos tab because images significantly contribute to attracting potential customers. Here, you should upload high-quality photos that capture the essence of your business. Consider showcasing your storefront, interior, products, team, or any services offered. A picture tells 1,000 words, and vivid, professional photos will leave a lasting impression on anyone who visits your profile. Next, it's time to add details about the services and products you offer. This is crucial because it allows customers to see what you have to offer at a glance. Be descriptive and concise, which can enhance your business's visibility in search results. Outlining your range of offerings helps customers make informed decisions and can even attract those who might not have discovered your business otherwise. Now let's talk about engagement. Encouraging reviews and responding to them is an excellent strategy for optimizing your Google business profile. Honest reviews not only build your business's credibility, but also provide potential customers with insights from those who've already experienced what you offer. When customers leave feedback, make it a habit to respond promptly and professionally. Whether the review is positive or negative, a thoughtful response demonstrates your commitment to customer satisfaction. Finally, remember to post updates and offers regularly. This helps keep your profile fresh and engaging for those looking at your business. Whether it's a new product launch, a limited time offer, or holiday hours, regular updates create a dynamic impression. This not only keeps your current customers informed, but also attracts new ones looking for the latest from your business. And there you have it. Following these steps will ensure your Google business profile is optimized effectively, which is a vital part of connecting with customers online. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy optimizing!